guys, welcome back to my channel and a massive hello to all my new subscribers. If you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed, don't forget to click the button down below. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn this old notebook cover. So an old notebook was in the middle of here, and you know how it is, it just slots into there. This is an old notebook cover and I'm going to show you how to turn it into a junk journal style traveller's notebook. Okay, so I actually got this idea from a lady called Rebecca. Her channel is I Am Mama 24. I'll link her video down below, but she actually bought these clear films, but I'm not sure where you can get them from, so I'm just going to discard and put that in the recycling bin. And what I'm actually going to do is I've already printed some paper. Now, this is the paper that I've printed. I haven't printed it double-sided, I've actually double layered it up. The reason why, I was just thinking, why did I double layer it up? I've actually stuck it together now, which was a mistake. The reason why I double layered it up, because this is going to be sewn on and I didn't want to see the stitching on the back, but I've already made a mistake now by actually gluing them together, so I guess you'll see the stitching. So all I'm going to do is I've just printed it as A4 paper. My only issue is that my A4 piece of paper is a little bit too short, so it's short on the ends here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it generally in the middle. I'll do my bits there to put the elastics in. I won't show you how to put the elastics in because there's plenty of videos on YouTube. And what I'm actually going to do to fill this little gap here, can you see, is I'm actually going to sew some lace or trim down the edge. So this, I'm not going to do it all on camera, I'm going to come back and show you. So I'm literally just going to put that down the side. Hello Indy. Cat's making her little appearance. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put some buttons. Hello, hello, go on, get down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some buttons, and I'm not too sure how secure they will be if I just like hot glue them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually stitch them on, but I'll stitch them on without this, so before I put the cover on. So yeah, it's going to basically, that will sit on there. It'll look way much neater and way much better, and I'm going to stitch it all down and then come back. Let me show you, Indy. What are you doing? So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to bore you on camera with all of this. I will come back. We will come back and I'll show you the finished product. And what I'll then do is in a couple of days I'll upload the video of the whole completed junk journal. So like I said, stay tuned for that and make sure you subscribe. See you in a while. Okay guys, so a couple of hours has passed and here is my traveller's notebook, just the cover for now. I will upload a full flip through once I have completed all of my inserts. So there I've just sewn my buttons on, all of that is underneath the plastic, and I just have it tied here with some seam binding. Yep. So there we go, and I've just put a little dangle clip on the top there just with a little bit of lace, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So here there's going to be some clear pockets just for putting some ephemera in, and I'll use the kit, the rest of the kit. This is an Arty Maze kit if anyone was wondering. I will leave the link to the kit down below, and like I say, I will do a full flip through. Get off. I will do a full flip through once I've completed the journal, and the journal will be available on my Etsy store, but I don't want to make any guarantees of when I'll actually get this finished. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Check out Rebecca's video where she gives you the original tip, and I hope you can repurpose any old plastic sleeves basically from your old books. So yeah, I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.